Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to load Paxful gift card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to redeem your Paxful gift card online, then it's quite simple. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in Paxful.com and search. Log into your Paxful.com account, and once you're inside the main dashboard page, click on the buy button at the top left. You can redeem your Paxful gift card or load your Paxful gift card while buying a cryptocurrency. Select the cryptocurrency you'd want to purchase in the top of the screen, and where it says pay via, click on the little horizontal bars right next to all payment method. Select gift cards option in order to load your gift card, and from the popular gifts category or the gift cards category, select the gift card you'd like to load. Go ahead and select a gift card that is available to you right away, right now, and once you do that, in the next field where it says I want to spend, enter the amount. Select your currency by clicking on this little drop down and enter the amount you would want to spend. Select your location from the next field and click on find offers to find the best offer for your purchase. You'll be able to see search results based on your search. Go ahead and find the best value for yourself and click on the buy button in order to load your gift card and purchase some cryptocurrency with it on Paxful. That is how you'll be able to load or redeem your gift card online on Paxful. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.